let's get started then. Today we're going to be learning about equivalent fractions. So about equivalent fractions, you know some stuff already, that there are different fractions with the same meaning, like they represent the same amount of something. So here in this worksheet we are working out how to find equivalent fractions. Like, let me give you just some examples. Firstly, so let's say 1 over 2. 1 over 2 means a half, right? Then 4 over 8 also means a half, isn't it?
Right.
And also let's say 6 over 12 also means a half. 5 over 10 also means a half, right? And 7 by 14 also means a half. 8 by 16 also means a half. 9 by 18 also means a half. So all of these, look at them, they're all different fractions, but they mean the same thing. They all mean a half.
Okay.
So they're all equivalent fractions, not equal fractions, equivalent fractions. So equal fraction would be 1 over 2 equals 1 over 2. They're both equal. Equivalent, they look like different, but they mean the same thing. Like in English, let's say synonym words. Like different words but with the same meaning. Something
Yeah.
like that. And how I found all those equivalent fractions is by multiplying something here with this fraction, with this 1 over 2. So multiply 4 and 4 with the numerator and denominator both. So 4 times 1 is 4 and 2 times 4 is 8. So 4 eighths. And times 1 with the numerator and times, not 1, I mean times 6 with the numerator and times 2 with the numerator, denominator. Then you're gonna get 6 twelfths. Times the numerator and denominator both by 5, you're gonna get 5 tenths. And then again multiply 7, you'll get 7 fourteenths. Multiply 8, you will get 8 sixteenths. Multiply 9 and you'll get 9 eighteenths. That's how you get equivalent fractions. Now here for question number 1, so 18 by 30 is given, and on the left side there is an equivalent fraction which is incomplete and we need to complete it. How can we do so? Well, that's easy. What we can do is, firstly we need to find out that 3 times something is 18. Now something times the same number, but let's not go to the denominator first. Let's work out the numerator first. So 3 times something is 18. What is it?
6.
Exactly. Now write the times 6 with the denominator as well. So sometimes something times 6 is 30. What is it? What is it? What times 6 is 30?
5.
Yes. So 3/5 is your answer. That's the equivalent fraction. What do you think?
Okay.
Easy or difficult?
Hard.
Hard?
No, not too hard.
Oh, that means a little bit hard. Is it?
A little bit. I just didn't get the ones where they have a smaller number and you can't get them into a timetable. Those ones.
Like number 2?
Yeah, like that.
So now 12, and obviously there is no 2 in the 12 times table. Then in that case you do division, not multiplication. So 12
okay.
divided by something is 2. What is it?
Pardon?
12 divided by something is 2.
6.
Yes. Now you need to do the same thing with the denominator as well. Divide the denominator by 6. So 18 divided by 6 is
18 divided by 6 is 2,
You could think it the other way around
3.
as well. What times of 6 is 18?
3.
Yes, that's the answer. So 18 divided by 6 is 3. 2/3 is the equivalent fraction. So equivalent fraction is achieved either by multiplication or dividing a same number with the numerator and denominator both. So this 2/3 is the equivalent fraction that I got for 12/18. How? By dividing a number with the numerator by the numerator and denominator both. And in the question 1 I got equivalent fraction, or I completed this equation for equivalent fractions by multiplication, multiplying something with the numerator and something with the denominator. Is that clear, or do you want me to solve more questions?
Just solve a bit more for me to get that understanding.
That's fine. Tell me then, which one do you want me to solve? Which one?
How about number 16? That one?
That's the easiest one. As for any question, you could work it out by division and multiplication both. Now this one, it could be done by multiplication and by division both. I would suggest the multiplication. That's easy. So 5 times something is 25. What is it?
5.
5. And then you need to multiply the 5 with the numerator as well. So 1 times 5 is?
5. Oh, okay, that's really simple.
Yep. Any other question?
I think I already understand it very simply, what you just did.
That's fine then. Then let's start practice. Now it's your turn. Start your practice then.